Hello students, today I will teach financial accounting for become part 1. I will teach today different types of accounting, that is financial accounting, cost accounting, management accounting, tax accounting, human resource accounting. We will discuss one by one. At first we will discuss about financial accounting. What is financial accounting? Students, I have explained earlier in my previous sessions what is accounting. Actually, accounting is a systematic scientific method of recording, classifying, summarizing, interpreting, reporting of financial transaction. Financial accounting is important for every organization. Under this, journal, ledger, trial balance, profit and loss account, balance sheets are prepared. These are the these three are the that is trial balance, profit and loss account, and balance sheet are the financial statement. Let us discuss one by one. What is journal? Journal means every transaction, or you can say that mixed transaction is recorded in a books of account. That is a journal. Ledger. Ledgers means as per dual aspects of the concept, we know that in an accounting transaction there are two aspects. One aspect is debit and second aspect is credit. Means uh, a transaction has two sides, and you can say that both the transactions, whether it is a debit or it is a credit, will be recorded in the separate sets of their book. That is a ledger. Now come to the trial balance. What is trial balance? It is a statement which shows the opening balances, transactions, and closing balances of a particular period of time. Means under this, all the ledgers are shown, whether it is related to the personal account, real account, or nominal account. All the ledgers appears in the trial balance. Seeing the trial balance, one can understand the status of different types of ledger. Now come to the profit and loss account. What is profit and loss account? Friends, as you know that the purpose of preparing profit and loss account is to find out profit and loss earned by the business organization during a particular period of time. Basically, it gives the report to the management what amount has been earned as a income by the organization. Now come to the balance sheet. Students, balance sheet is a mirror of the organization. They are the two sides of the balance sheet, liability side and asset side. Means it is prepared as on a specific date to show the position of assets and liability. This was about financial accounting. Now come to cost accounting. It is another branch of accounting, that is cost accounting. Actually, this accounting ascertain the actual cost and profit of a product and services. Not only this, it has an additional feature like cost and profit of a product and services can be ascertained on estimate basis. You can say that using this method or using this accounting, one can determine the cost and profit of a product in actual or on estimated basis. And cost accounting is prepared whether it is related to the past, whether it is related to the future and present. Means if you want to calculate the actual cost of the product and services, you can calculate. If cost has been incurred in the past, you can calculate, and the term future means you can ascertain or you can estimate the cost or cost of product or services. Now come to the different types of costing. There are two types of cost. First one is direct cost and second is indirect cost. What is direct cost? Direct cost means when a cost is directly associated with volume of production, it is a direct cost. For example, material involved, material, labor involved in the production of a product, these are the direct cost. Means when the volume of or in other word, you can say that this type of cost is directly related with volume of output. If output increases, such type of cost also increases, and vice versa. If you talk about indirect cost, the cost which is indirectly related to the volume of production, that is the indirect cost. Like you can say that a stationery, you can take an example of a stationery. A stationery is an indirect cost, computer indirect cost, and the wages of sweeper is also an indirect cost, because he render his services in different departments. His service is not related to a particular department. That's why it is a indirect cost. Now come to the taxation. It is very important branch of the accounting. It is totally about tax planning, assessment of assessment of tax, payment of advance tax, and tax accounting starts when financial accounting ends. Means in a financial accounting, profit and loss account of the profit and loss of the organization is determined preparing profit and loss account. And when accounting when accounting finish, the start of the taxation work starts. On the basis of determination of income, the next work is to determine the tax of the organization, the tax liability of the organization. Now come to the topic different types of tax. What are, there are two types of taxation in our country, that is direct tax and indirect tax. If you talk about direct tax, it consists of indirect income tax. We get salary, and salary comes under the direct tax. Direct tax means such type of tax is collected by the person directly. Now indirect tax. Indirect means it is collected indirectly to the person. Before 2017, there was several tax in India, like sales tax, VAT, CST. There were many types of taxation. But on 1st July 2017, all these taxation were merged in a GST. That is, it stands for goods and service tax. Means it is a uniform tax in our country. This was the basic introduction about different types of accounting. I hope this will be beneficial for you to understand different types of accounting. Thank you.